Turn your glass bottle into a beautiful hanging lamp by cutting the base of it, or use it as a tea light candle holder. Hello everyone, welcome to Explore for More. In this video, we'll learn to cut the bottle. For this, besides a glass bottle, I've taken this tape roll which will hold the bottle and also a glass cutter which is available easily at a local hardware shop. Place the bottle inside the roll and keep the glass cutter on it in such a way that the hand is stable. Bottle should be kept on a flat, even surface for cutting. Now start moving the bottle slowly, keeping the cutter in its position in such a way that the tip of the cutter touches the bottle and creates a line. Keep on moving the bottle till it reaches the starting point and a complete circle is formed on the bottle. This needs to be done slowly with patience, and same force is to be applied throughout. I've reached the point from where I started. A cutting mark has been created. Let's see it against a dark background for more visibility. See, the line is quite visible now. For the next step, we need some ice cubes and a burning candle. Start rubbing the ice on the marked line. Now heat it over a flame of candle. Keep moving the bottle. Again, rub it with the ice cube and then heat it over the flame of candle. Alternately heating and cooling will result in deepening of the cutting line. I've repeated this process 5 to 6 times. See how easily and neatly the two pieces get separated. Once the bottle is cut, we need to file the sharp edges. Pour some water over the sandpaper and move the cut edge over it for some time to smoothen it. Smoothen the edges of the lower part of the bottle as well and use it as a tea light candle holder. You can cut any bottle using the same process. I've cut all these bottles at home easily and turned them into hanging lamps. We'll share with you in a separate video how to turn these cut bottles into hanging lamps. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye.